Welcome to the energetic cleansing meditation. You can listen to this meditation while laying in bed or getting ready for your day. But I just want you to be in a relaxed and open state to allow these suggestions and these words to flow in. Now take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in and out. And with each breath that you take and each word that is uttered, perhaps you can feel your body relaxing more and more, and then allowing your mind to open more and more. I wonder if you can imagine yourself standing underneath a waterfall of relaxation. Just feel that relaxing, comfortable feeling flowing all the way down your body. All the way down from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, soothing, calming, relaxation, easing away any tensions, making you feel good, making you feel comfortable, making you feel so open and so relaxed. And now, I would like you to focus your attention to a point just located just above the top of your head so that you may begin to see a bright violet ball of light glowing from that area. See the light swirling in a clockwise direction, eliminating any unwanted negativity and allowing positivity to take its place. Notice the sensations you feel. Your senses bring to new life, and you start to experience your favorite sounds, smells, tastes, sights, and feelings. You start to feel vibrant and energetic, happy and positive, with an overall sense of well-being. As you begin to get more relaxed with every breath, I would like you to center all your attention to a point located in the middle of your forehead so that you may begin to see a bright indigo light glowing from that area. And now you may feel that point starting to tingle ever so slightly. See the indigo light getting brighter. Feel it releasing any unwanted negativity and allowing positivity and gentle healing to enter that point, making you feel calm and centered, happy and positive, with a balanced state of mind. And now I would like your attention to wander to the area at the front of your throat so that you may vision a beautiful blue light glowing from that area. See the light becoming brighter. Notice all the sensations you are feeling here, releasing any unwanted negativity, clearing any blockages you may have, and allowing positivity and positive energy to enter, sending you a gentle and warm feeling to that area, making you feel light and free, happy and positive, and able to communicate expressively in a positive way. Focus your attention to that area around your heart as you begin to relax. Your increasing state of awareness grows stronger. You imagine the color pink glowing around your heart as you start to open your heart chakra. You start to experience a sense of love all around you, filling you with joy and happiness, making you feel warm inside, secure and safe. You naturally release any unwanted pain or heartache as you start to find it easier to express love and kindness all around you. You're feeling so deeply relaxed now as you start to focus all your attention to a point just above your heart. You see a bright yellow ball of light swirling gently in a clockwise direction so that you may feel a release of tension coming from that area. And now imagine the feeling of peace and serenity flowing through all your body. Picture the wonderful feeling and sensations as they move through you and all around you. As you relax even further, you become lighter, more relaxed and positive. You feel more confident and have a strong sense of self-worth and self-assurance. Now, I would like you to move your intention to a spot just above the belly button. A bright spear of orange swirling in any direction that works for you, feeling the warm glowing sensation that makes you feel good inside, a feeling of calm and tranquility. You feel a strong sense of self-respect and a feeling of love for yourself. And now focus strongly. Focus your attention on the ball as you send it thanks and say goodbye. Now center your attention to an area at the base of your spine. Imagine a large red circle covering that area. And now you start to become more and feel more confident in every aspect of your life. You feel courageous, spontaneous, as you experience a sense of happiness in everything that you do. You see the beautiful, vibrant red circle, helping you feel more balanced and grounded, more able to take on life's challenges. You are feeling grateful for all of life's experience. Continue to feel this feeling. And now, as you give thanks to your unconscious mind for this wonderful healing today, making you feel good in every way possible, you will wake up feeling positive, more confident, and focused, and more grateful for life's experiences. So in a moment's time, I will wake you by counting the numbers from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Eyes wide open, wide and aware. Welcome to the energetic cleansing meditation. You can listen to this meditation while laying in bed or getting ready for your day. But I just want you to be in a relaxed and open state to allow these suggestions and these words to flow in. Now take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in and out. And with each breath that you take and each word that is uttered, perhaps you can feel your body relaxing more and more, and then allowing your mind to open